compared to a group who had not suffered a heart attack. And whether you want to relieve stress, perhaps lose some weight, you just want to lead a healthier lifestyle, it all links to the food that we put in our body, the food that we eat. She knows all about it. Joining us now is certified holistic health coach Terry Cummings, and you're here to explain and also give us a recipe for some breakfast cookies.
Absolutely. Who doesn't love a cookie?
Thanks for joining me, by the way.
Thank you. You're welcome. This is great. So yeah, this is something that we know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but I actually believe every meal is the most important meal because every single time we grab something to eat, we have an opportunity to do something better for our bodies and really nourish ourselves.
Well, you're thinking cookies, and I don't know, is that healthy? But you're saying, yes, we can make it very healthy.
Absolutely.
And how so?
So what we have here are some very simple ingredients. You'll notice that everything here consists of one ingredient, meaning that it's not a packaged or processed food. But these are all things, you don't have to go to a specialty store necessarily. Go to just any grocery store has what's out here. Pumpkin puree, for example.
Okay.
This is not pumpkin pie mix, so very important, and this is included in the recipe, of course, but this is just pure pumpkins. We have whole pinto beans.
That goes in the cookie?
That goes in the cookie. Just wait.
I was seeing something wrong, but okay, that's great.
Those are beans. We have dried cranberries. This is actually a vegan butter alternative so it's non-dairy, it's soy-free, and is wonderful. It's called Earth Balance. I use it in a lot of my stuff.
Okay, what else do we
We've got
have
your egg. This is actually agave nectar, which I know is getting more and more popular.
Yes, we used that yesterday.
Absolutely. This is a Himalayan sea salt. You know, some salts can actually lower your blood pressure. This is one of them. People think no salt, no salt. This is salt, good salt for you.
And while you mix all this together, I want to touch on the fact that the reason why this happened to you, tell me your personal story. It's so interesting. It is fascinating. Quickly.
For me, about 5 years ago, my health was deteriorating more and more, and it got to the point where I was ended up diagnosed with MS. And I just knew that wasn't it, and I decided to make a change in my diet. I was always eating real whole foods, but for example, these are gluten-free oats. I was eating everything gluten. So in my case, I took out gluten out of my diet, and within days, my symptoms have gone away, and I'm thriving now. So basically, I'll jump back to this. What we have here is I've ground up. We've just taken typical ingredients, but I use them in different forms. Run it through a food processor, pretty simple thing, or a blender. Get flour, mix it all together, makes a batter such as this. You would just stir it all together.
How long do you put them in the oven for?
These bake for 25 minutes.
Okay.
And you can either do them as a cookie form like this, or you can do them as a bar. And they're wonderful to freeze. So for back to school right now, you can just make a huge batch of them, pop them in the freezer. Kids are running out to school, get them this, loaded with fiber, great for women expecting, with the protein and the iron that's in the pistachios. So it's all
simple
goodness.
changes. It's a holistic
Baby
approach to
steps.
staying healthy,
Yes.
and you are proof that it works.
It does.
So if you'd like to learn more about it, thank you so much, Terry. And you want to learn more about Terry, about the story, about holistic health, go to our website, nbcconnecticut.com. Search links mentioned on air.
I don't keep up with the Joneses. I am the